Now we got to put a countertop on top of our vanity. So I'm going to go to Architecture and Component, Load Family, and in this case, well, in this instance anyways, I'm looking for casework. And then on casework, there are countertops. And you'll see counter with top with sink and countertop. These are kitchen countertops. They are a different size than our vanities. There's a round hole one and a square hole one. I'm just going to use the round hole one. I'm going to say open. And the countertop is attached at the corner of it. So I'm going to rotate it once, twice. There we go. And I'm going to more or less by eye, well, I can do this, I guess. So I'll come in here and I'll place that in the corner and I'll hit escape. And what I got to do here is I'm going to actually click on the countertop and I'm going to get a hold of these arrows and I'm just going to move this circle up. And now I've got the sink not quite in the middle of the countertop. It's kind of tight because it's an 18-inch cabinet. I could have probably put in a bigger cabinet here. Yeah, probably. All right. Well, anyways, so now I'm going to bring the bottom up to match the side of the counter top. And I'll escape a couple times. And I got to move the sink just a little more. There we go. That looks pretty even. And then we'll go back and take a look at our 3D view. I can just, if this is not, collapsed or uncollapsed or whatever, I just hit the plus sign next to 3D views and hit 3D view. And now I can see the sink vanity with a countertop in it. Okay.